Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Expression Home XP 2200. I want to show you how to print documents from computer with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via a wireless network. So the printer is connected to wireless network and also with computer. To print documents, go to File Explorer, then go to Documents, then type the document you want to print out. Select on the document. This is the document I want us to print out, 2-page document. To print it out, select Ctrl P, select on the right side, scroll down to select the printer, show more, select XP 2200 series, then select print all, select number of copies, and also you want to print it in color. More settings, scroll down, select the paper as A4, 1 page per sheet, fit to printable area, then select print. So these are documents we printed out from computer. Thank you very much indeed. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel.